We are here at the main event with our functional academics and our life skills programs with Waco ISD. Our secondary is here. We've got our middle school, which is CCMS Cesar Chavez. We have our Tennyson Middle School and our Carver Middle School are here. We also have University High School and Waco High. We are all here practicing our bowling skills, understanding the rules of it, and just help building their overall confidence for their competition coming up. So just watching them practice their bowling, we've seen them smile, get excited, jump up and down, hugging each other, just excited just for this opportunity, and I think they're really enjoying themselves. So our students are very lucky to have some great staff members. All of their teachers are here. We have our paraprofessionals. We also have some of our related service providers that have come in, such as our occupational therapists. We have our vision specialists is here. Just everybody just came together as a community, a school community, to help out our students with their bowling skills.